the golden age of travel has arrived. With modern technological advancements, globalization, and a plethora of economic travel options, seeing the world has never been so easy. Despite all of these incredible advancements, there are many destinations that will soon be impossible to see. Rising water levels, deforestation, and pollution, to name just a few factors, are slowly destroying some of the most prominent bucket list regulars. So check these places off your list before it's too late. Before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with the latest videos. Let's dive into the video. Number 15. Venice, Italy. Taking a romantic gondola ride through the ancient city of Venice features highly on the bucket list of many travelers. Venice is one of the most iconic and enchanting cities in the world, known for its winding canals, historic architecture, and rich cultural heritage. However, this unique city is also facing significant threats, from rising sea levels and erosion to over-tourism and pollution. With the surrounding sea rising at a steady level, experts estimate that the city of bridges could be submerged within a century if nothing is done. Number 14. Machu Picchu, Peru. It appears on almost every must-see travel list there is, but Peru's most famous Inca citadel is under threat. Over 500,000 selfie stick-wielding tourists descend on the historical site each year, and it's starting to take its toll. Worried about the long-term impact tourism and pollution will have on Machu Picchu, which was never intended to accommodate such numbers, tourism authorities have started to introduce initiatives to cut back the crowds and footfall. Who knows what action may be taken in the future, so it's probably best to see it now. Number 13. The Dead Sea. If floating in the Dead Sea is on your bucket list, you'd be wise to visit sooner rather than later. The iconic, highly salty expanse of water is shrinking at an alarming rate as less and less water flows into it from the River Jordan. A surface area of almost 1,000 square kilometers has shrunk to a mere 667 square kilometers in just 50 years, and the water level is dropping 1.4 meters annually. Add in the emergence of thousands of sinkholes, and the future of this site does not look promising. Number 12. The Florida Everglades. The sheer expanse of the Everglades makes them home to an extremely diverse range of habitats, which support a huge variety of wildlife. Human encroachment and pollution over the last century have damaged, altered, and shrunken the Everglades. The introduction of foreign species threatens it further. The Everglades have been on UNESCO's list of World Heritage in danger since 2010. Make sure to visit this beautiful destination before it's too late. Despite these challenges, the Florida Everglades remains a natural wonder that is well worth a visit. From exploring the scenic waterways by airboat or kayak to spotting alligators, panthers, and other wildlife, there are endless opportunities to connect with nature in this incredible landscape. Number 11. Glacier National Park. The breathtaking backdrops to Montana's Glacier National Park hiking routes are a must-see for lovers of the great outdoors. but the very geological features that give the park its name are disappearing. Global warming has contributed to the glaciers shrinking an average of 39% in the last 50 years, leaving only 26 bodies of ice large enough to be considered true glaciers. By visiting Glacier National Park and experiencing its natural beauty firsthand, you can become an advocate for its preservation and inspire others to do the same. Let's work together to protect this incredible destination for future generations to enjoy. Number 10. The Maldives. The Maldives is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, featuring crystal-clear turquoise waters, pristine white sand beaches, and stunning coral reefs. The country's unique geography, with over 1,000 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, provides a vast playground for divers, snorkelers, and beach lovers. With an average elevation of just 1.8 meters above sea level, the nation of the Maldives is the lowest lying in the world and is therefore at huge risk of being lost to rising sea levels as global warming continues. Enjoy the pristine white beaches before they're lost beneath the waves. Number 9. Boracay Island. Famed for its long stretches of white sand and water sports, the Philippine island of Boracay has grown into a hugely popular tourist destination. As of the 26th of April 2023, however, the island is completely closed for 6 months, as work is carried out to fix the damage caused by tourism, resulting in the water being described as a cesspool. Boracay is a slight anomaly to this list, though, as it will be reopened in the future. So make sure to visit this incredible island before it is closed again permanently. Number 8. The Patagonian Icefields. The Patagonian Icefields are a vast expanse of ice located in the southern Andes Mountains, spanning across both Chile and Argentina. The icefields are made up of numerous glaciers, including the Uppsala, Viedma, and Perito Moreno glaciers, which are some of the largest in the world outside of Antarctica and Greenland. Visually akin to the Wall in Game of Thrones, the southern Patagonian icefields won't be able to keep White Walkers at bay for much longer. Home to the third largest frozen reservoir of fresh water in the world, the glaciers that make up the ice fields are thinning due to global warming. Number 7. The Alskan Tundra. The tundra is an important ecosystem for regulating the Earth's climate, storing large amounts of carbon in its soils and vegetation. However, climate change is causing the tundra to warm at a faster rate than the global average, leading to permafrost thaw, which releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and threatens the stability of the region's ecosystems. America's most northern state is renowned for its harsh yet spectacular landscapes, but research suggests that it could look very different by the turn of the next century. Global warming is anticipated to thaw almost all of the permafrost ground in Denali National Park, leaving swampy bogs in its place. Number 6. The Vineyards of the Rhone Valley. The Rhone Valley is one of the most famous wine regions in the world, stretching over 200 kilometers from Lyon to Avignon in southeastern France. The region is divided into 2 distinct areas, the northern and southern Rhone, each with its own unique climate and terroir. The vineyards of the Rhone Valley produce a wide range of wines, including some of France's most prestigious and sought-after wines. Wine grapes are notoriously sensitive and will only grow in near-perfect conditions. Therefore, a potential side effect of global warming will be a major disruption in the production of wines in prominent growing areas, such as France's picturesque Rhone Valley. It's not all bad news, though. Experts forecast that, while production will most likely stop in certain areas, it could begin to flourish in others. Number 5. The Congo Basin. The Congo Basin is a vast tropical rainforest located in Central Africa, covering an area of over 3 million square kilometers, making it the second largest rainforest in the world after the Amazon. However, the forest is under threat from deforestation, primarily due to agricultural expansion, logging, and mining. Deforestation and wildfire threaten to destroy the valuable ecosystem and affect millions of people who rely on the rainforest for a livelihood. Deforestation in the Congo Basin not only threatens the biodiversity of the region, but also contributes to global climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Congo Basin, including the establishment of protected areas, community-led conservation initiatives, and sustainable forestry practices. Number 4. The Seychelles. The Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands located in the Indian Ocean, northeast of Madagascar. The islands are known for their stunning natural beauty, with pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and diverse marine life, including sea turtles, dolphins, and a variety of fish species. Especially popular among honeymooners, the idyllic island nation is home to some of the best beaches in the world. Rising sea levels caused by climate change threaten to destroy the pristine stretches of sand, however. Coastal erosion has already swept away meters of land and will continue unless a long-term solution is found. Number 3. The Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are a remote archipelago located about 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador in the Pacific Ocean. The islands are renowned for their incredible biodiversity and unique wildlife, which inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. While the native wildlife and fauna, such as the giant tortoise, provide a huge draw for camera-happy tourists, the mere presence of humans is proving detrimental to the health of the islands. The boats and planes that have delivered tourists to the islands have also introduced a whole host of non-native species, which threaten to alter the fragile ecosystems beyond repair. So maybe you shouldn't visit in order to preserve the island's future. Number 2. The Great Wall of China. The near 2,000-year-old Great Wall is far too prominent and important a structure to ever be left to fully collapse. But the sheer size of the wall makes it far too difficult to maintain in its entirety. A combination of time, vandalism, and botched restoration work has left some of the more remote stretches of the wall derelict. If you want to see the largest man-made structure in the world in relative peace, away from the masses in the most frequented sections, act fast. Number 1. Mount Kilimanjaro. The mountain is known for its breathtaking scenery, including glaciers, lush rainforests, and panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The climb to the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, with trekkers passing through diverse ecological zones, from the savanna to the alpine desert, before reaching the snow-capped summit. But the ice caps that adorn the peak are melting so quickly that they may be completely gone in 30 years. 29% of the volume of glacial ice atop Kilimanjaro has been lost since the year 2000 due to global warming, and the trend looks set to continue. So go see the mountain at its magical best while you still can. As you wrap up your exploration of disappearing destinations around the world, it's important to remember that these places are not just beautiful landscapes or historic sites. They are a reminder of the fragility of our planet and the urgent need to protect it. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure to some of the world's most beautiful and endangered places.